I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Scholar. YouTube is a preferred method to stream video in Scholar, but there's an easy way to embed it in Scholar so that it looks like it's hosted in Scholar. Scholar is not meant to host a video, it's just there's the processor, it's just not meant for that. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put one in Scholar from YouTube. Typically in YouTube, if I upload something, maybe it's an episode from a TV show or something, I set it to unlisted so that it's contained in my account and no one else can browse it. If you set it to private, you can't get to it, and it won't give you the embed code that you need. So you need to set it as unlisted. So I'm going to go ahead and build content. You can do it. I'm just going to show you the screen. So I'm going to add a blank page, and then here's my the content. So what you want to look for is the HTML button, and that's where you will paste the code. So I'm going to go back to YouTube. I already looked for a video that I want. It's about child psychology, and I'm going to click on share. And then click on embed. And then here is your embed code. And the really nice thing about this is you have some options here. You can have it start at a certain point. Maybe you want your students to start at, I don't know, at 10 minutes into it. You can actually manually put that, or wherever you move the playhead from the original video, if you stop it there, it will automatically have that time there. And by default, these are selected. So suggestive videos, maybe you don't want that because this is the only content you want. Show player controls, that's always a good idea. Show video title and player actions, again, that's always a good idea. And enable privacy enhanced mode. If you look, it says YouTube won't store information about the visitors on the website unless they play the video. It doesn't matter. You can check that or not. It doesn't make a big difference. So I'm going to copy this and just copy. If you notice in the code, it says the width and height, and these are pixels. So width is 560 pixels by 315 pixels. You can actually edit this if you want it bigger and smaller, but this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to close out of that. Switch back to Scholar. Click on HTML. Paste the code. And say update. And you won't see, you see a yellow box because effectively it's almost like a widget. If you want to preview what your students will see, go to the little computer on the right hand side under preview, and you'll be able to see what they see, which is this video. And then I can play it from here. And it's just like it's embedded. It's embedded in Scholar, but it's like it's in Scholar, like it exists natively, which is probably what you want. They can also full screen it from here, and there are settings here. You can, if it has subtitles, you can cut them on. It's on auto quality right now, but there's lots of those options should be adequate for your needs, and that's all you have to do. And then you just say submit to have this in Scholar however you want it, just to save the page, and you've just embedded a YouTube video in Scholar, which is the preferred method of getting a video into Scholar.